What is up, guys? We're back. We have the M4 CS still here, and I received some parts for the front. Some carbon is going right here and the other side, so I'm putting that on later. But we're headed to Scottsdale to check out another car, see if it goes through. That'd be a pretty good find, and it matches this thing. Haven't started this thing in like 2 weeks, but it's always a joy. A cold start video right here.
Tell me when you're ready.
I am ready. That's way louder than mine. These are the active single mid-pipe. Considering putting that on my car. So I'm taking a ride in this and see if I like it. And here's a clean E92. You're taking a rip?
Yes, sir.
So you got that cool steering wheel like me?
Yes.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Louder than the CS. So I just went to look at that car. That was a potential buy. It's pretty nice. We'll just have to see if it's gonna work out or not, but stay tuned for the carbon install. All right, we're back next day, putting the carbon on. Oh, and I gotta wipe it down. Gotta wipe the corona off. Dang, this thing has rock chips for days. Quick install video. Test fit. Just shove it in here, okay.
It's more interesting than your car. Look how cute! What are you doing?
Putting double-sided tape so it doesn't fly away. Gotta put it here and underneath.
What happened?
I have to peel off the red part. It's kind of annoying. Alright, test fit complete. Time to not mess up here. How does that look?
Ooh, looks good.
Let's do the other side.
Oh wait, this is the before and after.
Alright, last piece. I didn't test fit, but YOLO. Push on it. All done. Looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Can't go wrong with carbon. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.